Click on the link below to get price. Hey there, thanks for joining us again. Are you ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the great outdoors? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the exciting world of electric biking with our incredible TT-EBIKE Dual Motor 3000W e-bike. Now, let me tell you, this isn't just any electric bike. It's a real powerhouse that's designed to take your adventures to a whole new level. Imagine this. You're cruising along a mountain trail, the sun shining on your face, and the wind tousling your hair. With our bike's two high-speed brushless motors delivering an impressive 1,500 watts each, you can conquer those steep hills and rugged terrains like a pro. Whether you're zipping through snowy landscapes, gliding over sandy beaches, or darting through bustling city streets, you'll be reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Just picture that thrill. Now, you might be wondering, what powers this beast? Let me introduce you to the heart of the machine. A fantastic 28 lithium battery with a robust 52-volt design. You'll get a remarkable range of 33 to 80 miles, depending on your riding mode. How great is that? Plus, the battery includes a key lock for added security, and it's easily removable for hassle-free charging. That means less worry and more time for adventure. Speaking of comfort, let's talk about the ride quality. Comfort is key when you're out exploring, and this bike delivers in spades. With full suspension and dual disc brakes, you'll enjoy a smooth ride that absorbs shocks and keeps you safe, whether you're speeding downhill or navigating those tricky turns. And don't forget the robust 26-inch fat tires that provide superior grip and stability on any terrain. With a professional shim 7-speed transmission, mastering every ride becomes a breeze. But wait, there's more. This bike comes packed with high-quality accessories that will enhance your riding experience. Picture this: a powerful 600-lumen LED headlight illuminating your path during night rides, an LCD smart display providing real-time stats about your trip, and even a handy phone holder for those quick selfies or navigation. Just a little heads up, this bike is best suited for riders taller than 5 feet 7 inches, so be sure to check our size chart before making your decision. Now let's talk quality. We take pride in ensuring that every rider has the best experience possible. When you order, your package will include the bike, all necessary tools, a charger, and it comes 90% pre-assembled. If you're feeling a bit nervous about the assembly, don't worry. We got you covered with an easy-to-follow installation video available online. And here's a fun fact to get you even more excited. This bike has over 516 reviews and a stellar 4.2-star rating. That's right. A community of satisfied riders is already enjoying their adventures, and now it's your turn to join them. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to embrace the thrill of the ride? Whether you're seeking an adrenaline rush or just want to enjoy a leisurely day outdoors, our dual motor 3000W bike is your ticket to adventure. Let's hit the road together and make amazing memories. As we wrap up, I'd love for you to think about your own outdoor adventures. Where'd you go with this bike? What trails are calling your name? Share your thoughts, and who knows, maybe we'll feature your adventure story in our next episode. Until next time, happy riding. Click on the link below to get price.